Hello dear and lovely student, this is Miss Leela. How is it going? Hope you all doing well and healthy. Today we are going to talk about the subject which is phonics. And our topic for today is consonant reviews which start from consonant N till consonant S. And our page will start from 10 till page 14. The first consonant that we are going to talk about is consonant N, which is written in lowercase or small. The name of consonant N is N, but the sound of it is N. N. Have a look at here. What is this? Oh, it's a bird. The bird is building a nest. What? A nest. What's the beginning sound of nest? The beginning sound of nest is N, nest. So the beginning sound is N, nest. Also, we have this. What is this? Oh, this is night. What's the beginning sound of night? N, night. The beginning sound of night, night, N. The next consonant that we are going to talk about is consonant P. Consonant P. The name of the consonant P is P, but the sound of consonant P, P. Have a look at this. What is this? Oh, we have a family here. What are they doing? They're having a picnic. What? A picnic? What's the beginning sound of picnic? P, picnic. P, picnic. So the beginning sound of picnic is P. Also, we have a girl here. What is she doing? She's riding a bike. She's using a pedal to ride a bike. What? A pedal. What's a pedal? This is a pedal. The beginning sound of pedal is what? P, pedal. P. Now, open your book with me, page 10. We have consonant review N and P, which the name of N is N and the name of P is P. We have to say the name of each picture and then circle the beginning sound of the word. First we have what? Net. What? Net. What's the beginning sound of net? N. So circle N. And this one is what? Picnic. What? Picnic. What's the beginning sound of picnic? P. Picnic. Next we have 9. What? Number 9. What's the beginning sound of 9? N, 9. Circle N. What is this? Pen. This is a pen. What's the beginning sound of pen? P, pen. Circle P. Then we have pedal. What? Pedal. What's the beginning sound of pedal? P, pedal. P, pedal. And last one we have nest. What? Nest. What's the beginning sound of nest? N. The beginning sound of nest is N, nest. Circle N. Then we have the next one. We have to write down the beginning sound of the word. What word? The word that have the picture here. But don't forget to write down the lowercase or small of the letter. What is this? This is what? This is some people that are swimming. Swimming in what? A pool. What? Pool. Pool. What's the beginning sound of pool? Pool. So you have to write down the lowercase of p. Then we have penny. What? Penny. What's the beginning sound of penny? Penny. So you have to write down p, the lowercase of p. Then we have what? What is this? This is a nose. What? Nose. What's the beginning sound of nose? Nose. Nose. So you have to write down. And here we have the answer keys of the previous page, which was page 10. Please check your answers, and if you made any mistake, which is totally okay, please make sure to correct your mistakes. And now let's come to the next consonant, which is consonant Q. What? Q. What's consonant Q? The name of it is Q. What? Q. What's the sound of it? Q. Q. Have a look at this boy. What is he doing? This boy is having a question. What? A question. What's the beginning sound of question? Question. Question. So the beginning sound of it is qu. Look at this lady. Who's she? She's a queen. What? Queen. What's the beginning sound of queen? Queen. Queen. So the beginning sound of queen is qu. This is question, and the beginning sound of it is qu, which is written in red color. And also we have queen, which is written in red. The beginning sound is qu. Next consonant we have consonant r. What? R. What's the name of it? The name of the consonant is R. What? R. And the sound of it is R. What? R. Look at this picture. What is this? This is a rainbow. Look at these beautiful colors. What's the beginning sound of rainbow? R. Rainbow. The beginning sound of it is R. Oh, this is a rocket. What? A rocket. What's the beginning sound of rocket? R. Rocket. R. Rocket. And now come to page 11, and we have to do what? Say the name of each picture and then circle the beginning sound of the word. Don't forget, what is the beginning sound? We said the biggest sound is the first sound that we read a word is the beginning sound. What is the first picture? We have a raccoon. What? A raccoon. What's the beginning sound of raccoon? Raccoon. So circle R. Next we have roof. What's the beginning sound of roof? Roof. Circle R. Then we have what? We have queen. What? Queen. What's the beginning sound of queen? Queen. Circle Q. Then we have what? Quilt. What? Quilt. What's the beginning sound of quilt? Quilt. Circle Q. Next we have rug. What? Rug. What's the beginning sound of rug? Rug. Very good. And the last one we have robe. What? Robe. What's the beginning sound of robe? R, robe. Very good. Then come to the next exercise. We have what? We have these three pictures. We have to say the name of each picture and write in the beginning sound under it. The first picture is what? Oh, what a beautiful rose. What? A rose. What's the beginning sound of rose? R, rose. So write down the lowercase under the picture of rose. Then we have what? Quarter. What? Quarter. What's the beginning sound of quarter? It's quit, quarter. Write down the lowercase of quit under the picture. And the last one we have ruler. What? Ruler. What's the beginning sound of ruler? It's easy. Ruler. Write down the lowercase or small letter of sound. And here we have the answer key of the previous page. Please check up your answers, and if you made any mistake, please make sure to correct your mistakes. And now we are coming to the next one, which is consonant S. What's the name of consonant S? It's S. What? S. And the sound of S is S. Have a look at these pictures. We have some photos here. The first one is what? Sun. What? Sun. What's the beginning sound of sun? S, sun. The beginning sound is S. And what is? This is a spaceship or a rocket. We can also call it spaceship. The beginning sound of spaceship is S. Also we have socks. What? Socks. What's the beginning sound of socks? S, socks, which is written in color red. And then we have this star. Look at this shiny star. What is the beginning sound of star? S, star. The beginning sound of it is S. Okay, now let's come to the next consonant, which is T. What's the name of consonant T? It's T. What? T. Have a look at these photos. We have the first one. What is this? We have train. What? Train. What's the beginning sound of train? T, train. It's easy. T is the beginning sound. And we have number 10. Number 10. T, 10. The beginning sound is T. What is this? This is tongue. What? Tongue. As you know, we have studied this in science that we are using our tongue to what? Do you remember the 5 senses? We use the tongue to sense of taste. Okay, now tell me the beginning sound of tongue. T, tongue. The beginning sound is T. And here we have toe. What? Toe. What's the beginning sound? And now come to page 12 in your book. Let's start and say the name of each picture with me and circle the beginning sound of it. The first picture is what? Tape. What? Tape. What's the beginning sound of tape? T, tape. Circle T. Then we have what? Toothbrush. What? Toothbrush. What's the beginning sound of toothbrush? Look at it. T, toothbrush. Easy. Circle T. Then we have sock. What? Sock. What is the beginning sound of sock? S, sock. sock. Circle S. Then we have turtle. What? Turtle. Look at this turtle. What's the beginning sound of it? Turtle. Circle T. Then we have what? Sandwich. Yummy sandwich. What's the beginning sound of it? Sandwich. Look at it. Sandwich. Circle S. And last one we have sow. What? Sow. What's the beginning sound of sow? Sow. Circle S. And come to the next one. Look at these three pictures. We have to say the name of each of them and write in the first sound under each picture. Look at this. What is this? This is soup. Do you like soup? Yummy. What's the beginning sound of soup? Soup. Write down the lowercase or small s under the picture of soup. Next one we have tiger. What? Tiger. What's the beginning sound of tiger? Tiger. Write down lowercase of T under the tiger. And last one we have top. What? Top. Okay, what's the beginning sound of top? Top. Write down the lowercase of letter T. Here we have the answer key. Please double check your answers, and if you made any mistake, please correct your answer. Very good. The next consonant is consonant V. What's the name of consonant V? V. What? V. Okay, have a look at this picture. What is this? This is violin. What? Violin. Do you like play with the violin? It's so fun. Okay, what's the beginning sound of violin? Violin. It's V. What is this picture? This is a volcano. What? Volcano. Okay, what's the beginning sound of volcano? Volcano. The beginning sound of it is V. Violin, V. Volcano, V. Okay, the next consonant is W. The sound of W is W. The name of the letter is W. Have a look at this picture. What is this? This is a wave. Wave. Okay, what's the beginning sound of wave? Wave. Wave. Look at this yummy fruit. What is the name of it? Watermelon. What? Watermelon. What's the name of what's the beginning sound of watermelon? Watermelon. Very good. So the beginning sound of watermelon is W. Okay, now let's come back to our book, page 13. Okay, say the name of each picture, then circle what? The beginning sound of the word. The first picture we have what? We have van. What? Van. What's the beginning sound of van? Van. Van. The beginning sound is V. Circle V. Oh, look at this beautiful small creature. We call it what? Worm. What? Worm. What's the beginning sound of worm? Worm. Worm. Circle W. And then we have what? Vine. What? vine. What's the beginning sound of vine? Vine. Circle vine. Circle v. And next one we have web. What? Web. What is web? Web is a house for the spider. Okay, tell me the beginning sound of web. Web. Very good. Circle w. And last one, and next one, not last one, we have one more before last one. Face. What? Face. Okay, what's the beginning sound of face? Face. Circle v. Okay, and the last one we have watch. What? Watch. What's the beginning sound of watch? Watch. Okay, here we have what? We have 3 photos or 3 pictures, and we have to say the name of them and write down the beginning sound of the word under it. Okay, what is this? This is a window. What? Window. What's the beginning sound of window? Window. Write down small w under picture of window. And next one we have wing. What? Wing. What is wing? Wing is for the birds. The bird have a wing. What's the beginning sound of wing? Wing. Write down the small w. And the last one we have vest. What? Vest. What's the beginning sound of vest? Vest. And here we have the answer keys. Check your answers, please. If you made any mistake, correct your answer. And don't worry, we all make mistake. It's okay. Now we have consonant ya. What's the name of consonant ya? Y. What? Y. And the sound of it is ya. Yummy. What is this? This is yogurt. What? Yogurt. What's the beginning sound of yogurt? Yogurt. Look at this lady. What is she doing? She's doing yoga. What? Yoga. What is yoga? What's the beginning sound of yoga? Yoga. So the beginning sound of it is ya. Okay, next consonant we have z. Consonant z. The name of consonant z is z. What? Z. And the sound of it is z. What is this? This is a zipper. What? Zipper. What's the beginning sound of zipper? Zipper. So the beginning sound is z. Oh, look at this. What is this? Oh, this is number 0. What? 0. What's the beginning sound of number 0? It's zero. The beginning sound is z. Now, come to page 14. We have to say the name of each picture and circle the beginning sound of the word. Okay, now look at the first picture. We have what? This is an egg. Okay, what about this yellow color inside it? What is that in the middle of the egg? This is yolk. What? Yolk. What's the beginning sound of yolk? Yolk. The beginning sound is y. So circle y. Okay, now we have zipper. What's the beginning sound of zipper? Zipper. Circle z. And then we have yarn. What? Yarn. What's the beginning sound of yarn? Yarn. Yarn. Circle y. And then we have what? We have yo-yo. Do you like to play with yo-yo? Yes. Okay. Circle y. Yo-yo. Circle y. Zoo. Have you ever went to zoo? Okay, what's the beginning sound of zoo? Z, z, zoo. What is this color? This is yellow. What? Yellow. What's the beginning sound of yellow? Yeah, yellow. Circle, yeah. And here we have what? 3 pictures, and we have to say the name of them and write down the beginning sound of under them. The first one we have yard. What? Yard. What's the beginning sound of yard? Yeah, yard. Write down the lowercase or small yeah. Okay, now we have zebra. What? Zebra. What's the beginning sound of zebra? Zebra. Write down the small z. Look at this bird. He's sleepy. What is he doing? He's yawning. What? Yawn. What's the beginning sound of yawn? Yawn. Yawn. Write down the sound under it. And here is the answer key. Please check up your answers and make sure do not make any mistake. And my dears, here we have the flashcard of the words that we studied during this lesson. You may look at them and say the beginning sound of each of them and learn about them at home. And this is the end of our lesson. Thank you very much for listening. Bye bye.